Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to check this laptop's temperature. To do it, you have to download the third-party application called CoreTemp, and in order to download it you're gonna need an internet connection. So if you have one, open your website, open the search engine, and then search for CoreTemp. Press enter and you'll find their official website, which is allcpu.com. Open it, then click download on the front page. Wait until the setup file is downloaded, and once it is, open it, then close the browser if you want, then click yes. Click next, read and accept the user agreement to continue. Then you can select the destination folder for your program and click next. On the following page, make sure that you uncheck the second checkbox if you don't want any unwanted software on your laptop. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can leave this checkbox checked, but I'm gonna uncheck it. And if you need an additional language packs, then you can also leave this checkbox checked. And I'm not gonna need it too. So once you're ready, click next, then install. And once the application is installed, click next. You can uncheck the readme part and click finish, and the application will open. And in this application you will see all the information about your device's processor, and on the second part of the window you will see the temperature readings for your CPU. Right here you can see the current temperature of each core of your processor, as well as the minimum registered temperature and maximum registered temperature, and the load of each core. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.